Oh, wow. You just tip it over to work on it, huh? Put your wrench on there. Put your wrench on there.
Ow. Yes.
You don't want to use your wrench for that?
Ow. Mama, off.
We can't take that off. Dad, he'll be so mad if we take apart your bike. He'd have to fix it. You fix it. Yeah, work on your bike. I think this is good for working on your bike. Look.
Yeah.
It'll fit right there. Yeah. Do you need to just get a hammer and bang on it?
Yes.
Your hammer's over there in your bucket. See it? By the couch? In the black bucket? Alright, I'll get your hammer. That boy. Is that what Papa used to get the car tire off? Was a hammer?
Yes. Oh. Mama, help.
You want me to take your wheel off?
Yes.
What if we can't get it back on?
Heavy.
It is heavy.
Mom. Heavy. Help.